Welcome to Grade Control, GCS and AccuGrade, training number 3, the next key. This overview is going to take a deeper look at the control box, focusing mainly on the next key. This will give the user additional options for customizing the display. With the next key, there are 5 options the user has: a plan view, a profile view, cross-section view, text item 1, and text item 2. Selecting the next key allows the user to customize the display with how he will see what views. The default view is the plan view. This allows the user to view the project site from a standpoint from an aerial view looking down onto the machine and or project site. Selecting the next key one time brings us to the cross-section view. The cross-section view allows the user to view the project site in a fashion that is a vertical section in a line of ground at right angles. In other words, cutting traversely at right angles or slicing a section of the project site from top to bottom if standing from the end and looking at the project. The gray square represents the dozer or the excavator bucket. The red square represents the active corner, which we'll cover in a later training. The red line running horizontally represents the grade at finished grade. And the green line represents the center of the bucket. Selecting the next key brings us into our profile view. The profile view is simply a view of the project, as if viewing the machine from the right side. The red line again represents finished grade. Selecting the next key again brings us to our first text options window. The text option window can hold anywhere from 2 to 6 text items. This can be customized by the user at any given time, an unlimited number of times. Fill, cut left, cut right, the design slope, the PDOPs that are current, and the number of satellites we're currently using. Selecting the next key an additional time brings us to our second text option, which is the northing and easting, our current elevation, a stationing if we had a selected line, and our GPS vertical error. Again, the text item 2 can hold anywhere from 2 to 6 text items and can be customized by the user. Selecting the next key again brings us back to our beginning point, the plan view on the machine, on the display. So essentially you go around in a circle is all you do. If you get lost, keep selecting the next key, brings you back to the initial beginning point. It concludes the training number 3 for the next key.